This is a video. You should see your eyes. It's a video.
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah.
Oh. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yay!
Monster baby.
Hey, you. Hey, you. You're so pretty. No, you're not going in Grandma's pocketbook. No. What'd you do with Pop-Pop? What'd you do with your Pop-Pop?
Hello. And how are you?
Say hello. Did you see it? Did you get in the video?
Hello.
And what are you doing, Princess? Did you show Mommy your outfit?
This one's gonna have
Here.
dark hair.
Huh?
She's gonna have dark hair.
Yeah. She's just like her
I
mom.
have candy.
You didn't have candy?
This one's never gonna
Okay.
have dark hair.
You didn't have candy. Good girl.
Did you get candy from Grandma? Did Grandma give you candy?
Nope. Not allowed candy.
I told her Smooch was looking to come today, but
Yeah, your Smooshy Bear wanted to come and visit you.
But,
I didn't give her hugs.
You didn't give her hugs, but when you come to my house, you can give her hugs.
okay, I'm going over to.
You talk to him?
Yeah, I'm going over there.
But I mean, you talk to him is...
Yeah, I'm gonna go over there and see him.
Okay.
Reagan.
You guys can stay here and play.
Hello.
All day.
Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Did you give Pop-Pop kisses and hugs? Give Pop-Pop hug and kiss.
You can give me a hug and kiss when I come back.
You can give Pop-Pop hug and kiss now, too.